Good morning student. In our last video, we are discussing about leadership and its quality. Leadership, it is the ability of an individual to influence other people, so that they cooperate with each others for the achievement of some common goal. Okay, leadership means ability of an individual to influence other people so that they cooperate with each others for the achievement of some common goal. Leaders means to lead a group. For a good leadership, three things are required. Good leaders who can lead his group. Good followers who follow his group, who follow his leaders, and a common purpose. There should be a common purpose. Leaders, it is of two types: democratic leaders and professional leaders. Professional leaders are those leaders who earn the quality of leaders by becoming professors, teachers, managers, administrators, etc. And democratic leaders are those leaders who are made by the choice of the people. They are made by the choice. We choose the democratic leaders. It is of two types: mature leaders and amateur leaders. Mature leaders are those leaders like political leaders. Okay, mature leaders like political leaders. Amateur leaders are those leaders with a volunteer service like team captain, game captain, academic leaders, etc. Today we will discuss about creating leaders through physical activity, how we can create a leaders through physical education. Creating leader through physical education. Okay, how we can create a leaders through our physical education. The first step is we have to appoint our leaders. Appointing the to create a leaders, the first step is to appoint our leaders. We have to appoint our leaders. Usually up to the primary levels, levels, the leaders are made according to the rotation basis for a short duration of time. Okay, for a young child, primary level, up to the primary levels, leaders are made on rotation basis for a short period of time, up to the primary levels. For a child, according to the rotation, okay, for a child, the leaders are made on the base of rotation, base. And for an adult, rotation base for a short period of time. And grown up children, the leaders are selected on the base of their performance. on the basis of their performance on academic, sports, co-curriculum activities, etc. And teenage or adults voting on teacher choice. In adults, the leaders are made on the basis of voting on teachers choice, the leaders according to their performance, according to their performance. After selecting a leaders, okay, these are the step of appointing a leader. The first step is we have to appoint a leaders. First, up to a grown up to a child, up to a primary levels, the leaders are made on rotation basis for a short period of time. Like for 1 week, roll number 1 is become a leaders. For next week, roll number 2, etc. On a rotation base for a short period of time. And for a grown-up children, the leaders are made on the base of their performance. We make a leaders on the base of their performance in academic, sports, co-curricular activities, cultural activities, etc. And in teenager or adult, the leaders are made on the base of voting. The person who get more vote, he will be a leaders, or the leaders are made on the base of teacher's choice, according to their performance, according to their talent. The next step is after appointing a leaders, we have to responsibility. Okay, responsibility. Conducting. The second step is we should give him the responsibility for conducting the event or program, and the teachers should check over and do up corrections. Give authority. After giving him responsibility, give him authority, give him power, so that he can take his decision. Okay, after that we should give him some authority so that he can take independent decisions to conduct the program, to conduct the event, and the check should be done by the teachers. Next is guidance. Guidance to the teachers should guide our leaders. The teachers should give him some guidelines how to conduct a sports, how to conduct a program or event. After that, assigning duties. After that, we have to assign our duties to our leaders, like maintaining a discipline, like discipline, equipment arrangement, etc. We have to assign him responsibility. After that, give recognitions. And honor. Give some recognitions and honors to the leaders, like badge, chest logo, etc. which motivate the leaders and the leaders. This type of recognitions will motivate the leaders to perform his duties best. Okay, they should be given shoulder badge, chest logo, etc. Special consideration. The leaders should be given special consideration in program, and praise should be done for their work in a public, or in a group. Special next is technical tips. After that, we should get some technical tips so that he can perform his work better in the next. Okay, the leaders should be given some special and technical tips for improvement of their leadership quality. These are the some steps to create a leaders. Okay, the first step is for creating a leader. The first step is we have to appoint a leaders. The first step is appointing a leaders. Leaders for different activities like game leaders, sports leaders, academic leaders, school captain, house captain, etc. Usually up to a primary levels for children, the leaders are made on the base of rotation base for short durations, and for grown-up children, the leaders are made on the base of their academic performance, sports performance, co-curriculum activities, etc. And in teenage or adult, the leaders are made on the base of voting or teacher choice. After appointing a leaders, responsibility should be given to our leaders, and the teachers should check. There should be checked by the teachers. And after that, give authority. After appointing a leaders and giving him responsibility, give some authority so that he can take his own decision. He can take his own decision to conduct a program. Next is assigning duties. After that, after giving him authority, assign him duties. After that, recognitions and honors to the leaders. Give some recognitions and honors to the leaders like chest badge, logo, etc. which motivate him to do his work in better way. And special considerations, give some special considerations for his work in a public place which motivate him. And last, technical tips. Give some technical tips, special and technical tips for improvement of his leadership qualities. These are the some point to create a leaders through physical activity. Leaders means to lead a group. It is the quality of an individual to influence other people to cooperate towards the achievement of some common goal. Next is role of leaders. What are the role of leaders, or we can say captain. The first role of leaders. Leaders, group representation. Leaders represent his group. Okay, the leaders represent his group. He expressed the idea, thought of his group and also take the decision on behalf of his group. Okay, the leaders represent the group. He expressed the idea, thought, interest of his group and also take the decision on behalf of his group. Second is opportunity to direct. Opportunity to leaders get the opportunity to direct his group, to direct his team. Okay, leaders, he get the opportunity to direct, to lead his group for a betterment, for the betterment. Third is reduce stress. Leaders, it's hard to reduce the stress, tension of a teacher's course. Okay, leaders, it help the teachers course to reduce the stress and tensions which help uh, uh, which which help the teachers. It enable the teachers to spend more time for teaching or coaching or doing important things. Leaders help the teachers to reduce the stress tensions by which the teacher get more time to teach, to give more time to give knowledge, to teach, coaching, etc. Better discipline. Leaders have to maintain discipline in his group. Okay, leaders, it's help to maintain discipline. It have to maintain discipline in his group. That will be the better discipline. Next is develop socialization. Leadership, it's hard to develop social quality among his group members. Okay, with the help of leadership, leaders have to develop social quality in his group, in his team members. Like there will be the team, there will be the friendship between his team members, teammate. There will be the adjustment among his team member, etc. It had to develop leadership quality in his team. Next is inspire others. Leadership, it's hard to inspire other people too. It inspire other leaders have to inspire others to perform better, which motivate the group to perform, which motivate the group to improve further. Okay, leaders motivate his group. Leaders motivate his group. He inspire his group for a better performance. Next is close relationship. The leaders has a close relationship between the teachers and his group members. He tried to the student leaders provide. He has a close and healthy relationship between the teachers and of course he understands the needs of his group. He understands the needs of his group. He tried to create a close relationship between his teammate, between the teachers and the student. Better organization. Leadership help in better organization. That will be the better organizations of the program, any event, etc. Good medium. Good medium to convey. Leaders act as a good medium to convey the message between the teachers and his group members. If his group member is unable to convey the message with the teachers, then he convey his message with the leaders, and leaders convey his message to the leaders. He act as a good medium to convey between the student and the teachers. There will be the better understanding, because the leaders, he know the needs of his group. He act as a good medium. Improve ability. It had to improve the leadership. It had to improve the various skills and abilities of all leaders. Provide recognitions. Leaders, it helps to provide recognitions of his group in the society. Good leadership provide recognitions of his group in the society and increase and impress everyone. Last is improve coordination. Leaders helps to improve the coordinations between his group. Leaders improve the coordinations of the group. Thus, collective efforts of the group will be raised. These are the some role of all leaders. Leaders, he represent his group. He express the thought, idea of his group, and also take decision on behalf of his group members. Leaders get the opportunity to direct his group members, to direct his teammate, reduce the stress and tensions. Leaders reduce the stress, tension of his course teachers, which help the teachers. By this, the teachers course get more time for teaching and coaching. Better discipline. Leader, it's hard to maintain discipline in his group. Develop socialization. Leaders help to develop social qualities in his group. Inspire others. Leader inspire others for better performance. Close relationship. The leaders has a close relationship between his teammate and teachers. Better organizations. Leaders, it's help in better organizations of the program or event. Good medium to convey. Leaders act as a good medium to convey the message between his teammate and teachers. He act as a medium to convey the message between the teammate, between the group and the teachers. Is improve ability. Leaders, it's hard to improve the ability of all leaders. The leadership abilities will be improved. Provide recognitions. Leaders, good leadership provide recognitions of his group in the society. Improve coordinations. Leaderships help to develop better coordinations between his group, between his team, which improve the which help to achieve the goal, common goal. These are the some role of all leaders. Okay, leaders means to lead a group. Leadership, it is the ability of an individual. Leadership, it is the process of influencing the activity of an organization. Means it is the quality. Leadership, it is a quality of an individual to influence the people, to influence it is the quality of an individual to influence other people to so that they cooperate with each others for the achievement of some common goal.